What's going on, my people? Today we're doing up my car, modifying it with AliExpress parts. Let's see how fun it's gonna be, because I don't think it's gonna be fun at all, especially the first thing that we're doing. But yeah, obviously it's getting a bit dark now. But we thought, you know what? Because we've got to do some wiring. We just thought we might as well do the wiring today, because then tomorrow's gonna be raining. So the wiring, we need to be outside the car, so we just thought, yeah, do the wiring today, and then tomorrow start earlier, obviously, and get the inside or whatever done to the car. But yeah, I'll check up with you guys in a bit. One of the things we're doing, I don't know if you lot can tell, but that LED on the left side is working, and the one on the right side gave in. So hopefully we got a solution for that with that. Also, funny enough, oh yeah, and finally I'm gonna be fixing this. That has been pissing me off for time. But yeah, we got a solution for all that. Let me put the indicators on. Let me turn the fogs on and put it on the side lights. I think now we should be able to see what's going on. Fogs are not on. Why aren't the fog lights on? Is it because I turned them off? There we go. Or not. Side lights. Let's go. So, as you lot can tell, on the left side, car looks nice. All lights working, everything done, nice. Come to the right side now, yeah? No LED, no fog light, and that's on its way out anyway. All on the right side. Makes no sense, but yeah, so we're gonna fix the right side of the car, hopefully today. If not today, then we'll finish it up tomorrow. But yeah, car should be looking nice again, back to normal. Well, for us it's gonna be a couple of hours, but for you guys it's gonna be a couple of minutes. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Lucky though, we come to the back and there's nothing wrong with the lights at the back. Now that I said that, I probably jinxed it, but nah, should be fine anyway. Yeah, can't wait to get spaces on this bad boy. He needs it. Looking a bit skinny. Needs some food in its system. But yeah, I'll check up with you guys in a bit.
Fala.
Então,
Mas estava pensando
em cansaço
não,
para a segunda,
assim,
bro.
Fala tu, canta.
Espera. Eu vou ficar louco.
Vira sua câmera. Foi.
You did listen? Do something to recover this, yeah? Flash, how are you feeling now that you uncovered that the part may not fit the car? Thank you very much for your contributions. Time is money.
That way, you can see it anyway. It won't fit though. That's way too small.
What did you say, Samuel?
It's way too small. That's what she said.
Whoa.
Not to me.
Hey, yo.
Not to me. No, she said her pom small.
No,
It was too small for my.
bro. This explanation was weird.
Don't scratch it, bro. You know it's red doesn't fit, bro.
This
Don't
comes
fit,
out
bro.
though. This whole thing.
Actually, wait. Does it fit?
Shit. Cameraman. Cameraman, please. Put your flash here, bro.
Where's my phone?
Your phone is with cameraman. It's with cameraman.
What did you do?
Like this fell out. No, this thing.
Just fill up.
Esse cara tá sem bagagem. Tá preocupado agora, velho. Sozinho. Ninguém lhe tocou ele sozinho, sozinho.
This shit just fell out, bro. This part
Did
of
you
the
see it,
thing.
bro?
Nah, I felt it. I just heard ting ding ding.
Wait, dá-se uma para tirar uma foto.
Qual é o telefone?
Hã?
O telefone do pesadelo.
É este.
É o que está a gravar?
Yeah.
Dá pra fazer o rádio?
Ok, dá-me o pesadelo.
Porque não querem fazer o rádio.
Eu estava a esperar esse tempo todo. Also, forgot to show you lot the amount of bags we've got from AliExpress. Quite a few things, but yeah, I'm not showing you lot the box because that's a surprise. You lot will see when it's ready. Opened up the bags now. Let me show you the first thing that I've got, which is what we'll need now. Yeah, all of these gonna come in handy. Yeah, that's first out of, I don't know, like 10 things. But yeah, catch up with you guys in a bit.